Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this video I'll discuss about billable versus non-billable in corporate sector. So this is very important and most of the employee get confused about this. So in this video I'll try to clear all the thing, and still if you get any confused you can write in the comment section or you can connect in my Instagram ID you will get in the description. So here first of all, these two terms you will get mostly in the service based company, and service based company means here I'll give you the example of some service based company where you will find these two terms like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant. So those kind of top MNC level company you will get these two terms. Maybe you can get the mid level service based company as well. Okay, so now what is this two terms? So first of all, you have to understand all the process about the service based company. Here suppose you have given the interview in the TCS. So here I'm taking example of TCS. Okay, so you have given interview in the TCS and you got selected, you got the offer letter and you have joined in the TCS. So it is not like that you have joined in the TCS means everything is done. It is not like that in the service based company. So after joining in the TCS, you have to find the project. Means TCS is the service based company. That means TCS provides some services to the other companies, right? Means suppose Google, Microsoft and Cisco, Airtel, so many companies provide the project, those kind of service based company, right? Suppose Google, Cisco, those companies project are going on in the TCS. So some TCS employees are working on those two companies project, Google and Cisco. Here I'm taking those two companies as an example, right? So that time here your skill set as a backend developer means Java. Your skill set is suppose just assume Java. Okay, so in the Google or Cisco they both have some Java vacancy. So that time you have to give the interview for Google or Cisco. Okay, any one, or you can give the interview for two as well. Okay, so it is not like that means directly you can give the interview. So first of all, your profile will be sent to the Google or Cisco. If they selected, then you will give the interview. And how they will select it? So here so many TCS employees are working in the Google and Cisco. Okay, so the senior person will select your profile. Okay, if they think your profile is suitable for them, so then that time they will arrange the interview and you have to give the interview. And after that, suppose your interview is good and then they will select you for the project. Suppose you have given interview for Google. Okay, your interview was good and then they will select for the Google project. Okay, so now here who took your interview? Some TCS employee, right? Who are working for the Google project already. So they have taken your interview. Now the thing is, client will take your interview again, means directly Google, I mean whose pay scale are from Google, so they will take your interview again. Sometime it happen. So that time means client interview is pending. Okay, now I'm coming to the billable and non-billable. So suppose first time when you join in the TCS, you haven't given any interview for the client. So that time your status will be non-billable. That means your company is providing your salary. Okay, that is clear, I hope. Now you have given interview in the Google and you have given interview the client also, means Google's client. So that time client will provide your salary. That means your status will be billable. Now one thing, sometime it comes to the mind, like suppose your first of all some TCS employee who is working for the Google, he will take your interview, right? So now suppose he has selected to you and after that he will give you some project code. So in that project code you have to fill your timesheet daily basis, right? Then by this way HR or who process your salary, so he will calculate how many days you have to work and based on that they will provide your salary. So here you are filling your timesheet on Google's project code. Okay, but still sometime your status is non-billable. You know why? Because your client interview is pending. Means some TCS employee selected for that project, but your client interview is pending. That means client is not providing your salary. Still company is providing your salary, but you got selected already. So that time also you will find your status is non-billable. When client will select and they will assign you a project, so that time your status will change to billable. I hope it is clear. Now what can be the issue? Your status is billable or non-billable. If you are working already in a service based company or if you are thinking to join, So here you have to remember one thing, when your salary will structure, so that time they will provide you some variable pay. So here I'm taking the example of 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs means your monthly salary is 1 lakh. So here they won't provide you 1 lakhs. So they will deduct some amount which is called variable pay. Suppose in 1 lakh monthly salary, then they will deduct 4,000, 6,000. That is depend on the company how they are structurizing your salary. So here suppose here I'm taking like example of 4,000. So they will deduct 4,000 every month, and at the end of the year, so based on your performance, they will provide support 4,000 every month means 12 months it is 48,000. So they have deducted 48,000 from your salary, and based on your performance, that 48,000 will provide you, means it can be 30,000 from 48,000, or sometime if you get 100%, so you will get 48,000. Most of the time employee doesn't get 100%, like they get mostly 30%, 38%, like that. So if your status is non-billable, so that time you may not get that variable pay, so that can be the issue. But another thing comes sometime in the mind, like when you selected in a project, okay, I mean selected in a project means some employee from your company, it selected you, not client. Okay, so that time you also got the project code, so that time your status will be non-billable. So that time you are in the bench or what? So it is not, you are not in the bench, right? Because you are filling your time sheet on the project code, so you are not in the bench. So I hope all the things clear. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or if you find this video helpful, so please like this video. Also subscribe my channel to get more update on this kind of thing.